Welcome back to Mind Pump TV, guys. I'm your host, Danny Matranga. Today, I'm excited to share with you one of my favorite post-workout recovery smoothies. Now, while getting a serving of protein immediately after your workout isn't a necessity, it certainly doesn't hurt. And for a lot of people, having something ready to go or a quick, easy to make meal like a smoothie is quite a convenience, and it helps in the greater overall picture of nailing your nutrition, especially when it comes to recovery. I'm super thankful we were able to partner with Momentous to bring you guys this video, and we've secured a special deal at livemomentus.com/mindpump, so be sure to go check that out. All right, guys, so first thing we're adding to the smoothie is going to be frozen tart cherries. There's a lot of recent research actually to support that tart cherries help with managing muscle soreness. They're also a great carbohydrate source. They're loaded with different vitamins as well as minerals. And one of the cool things about a post-workout smoothie is we're looking for a 2-to-1 carbohydrate to protein ratio, so we can utilize things like fruit. Now, I will caution you about adding a ton of antioxidant-rich greens, not because there's anything wrong with antioxidants, but the anti-inflammatory properties of adding a ton of antioxidants might actually inhibit your recovery. So I like to keep my post-workout smoothies to 1, maybe 2 things of fruit, and try to get my antioxidants at other times throughout the day. So starting off with 3/4 of a cup of cherries. From here, I'm just adding some simple low sugar almond milk. You can use coconut water if you prefer. You could use traditional milk, whatever you like as a fluid or a liquid. If you're trying to gain weight, maybe you use juice. If you're trying to keep the calories really, really low, again, maybe something like water or this. From here, I'm going to add 2 grams of L-Carnitine tartrate, which has been shown, again, to help with managing muscle soreness as well as preventing excessive fatigue. Here we've got 5 grams of creatine monohydrate. That's the most single-studied sports supplement of all time. It's going to help you recover. It's going to help you do better in the gym on your next session. You've probably depleted creatine during your workout, and it's actually going to be more easily transported into the muscle tissue when we get it with things like our carbohydrate, which helps pull things into the cells. So a little bit of honey is a nice add here, just because, again, we're looking for that 2-to-1 ratio of carbs to protein, and it adds a nice natural sweetener that I really enjoy the taste of, and it kind of works nicely with this cherry vanilla flavor profile. And the last thing I'm adding here is just 1 scoop of the Vera Cruz vanilla Momentous whey protein. Again, this is from grass-fed whey. 1 scoop has about 22 grams of protein, and that is what I'm looking for. I've got close to 40 grams of carbs, about 20 grams of protein, some stuff to help me recover from the carnitine and the creatine, as well as the tart cherry, and a little bit of honey for sweetener. So from here, nice and simple, just get my lid on, turn my blender on. Mix is nice and easy. From here, it's very simple. You could save this if you wanted to have it later, like if you wanted to make it before your workout and have it after, you could totally do that. It keeps quite well. And it tastes fantastic. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We go through there all the time and try to interact with you guys, answer any questions you might have. And again, thanks to Momentous for partnering with us to bring you this video. If you're still watching, I want to show you guys one more thing. This is something I really like to do, and it's something I recommend for any clients who are looking to gain a little bit of muscle or add some additional calories into their diet, right? Because anything you drink is going to be a lot easier to get down than eating food. So if you want to get some extra calories in your diet and your goal is maybe to gain a little bit of muscle, I like to add some full-fat yogurt into the smoothie. Not only do you get the protein, right? If it has some fruit in it, you get some carbs, but you also get the cholesterol from the full-fat dairy. Now, obviously, if you have a dairy sensitivity, this might be something that you avoid, but this is a nice thing to add to bump the calories up, get some fat, get some protein, get some carbs, and most importantly, get a little bit of that cholesterol. So just a little bit in there. I usually just use 1 cup, just like that. Nice and simple. And now you've got the same exact shake, but you've added a little bit of extra calories from fat, protein, and carbohydrate. You've kept that 2-to-1 ratio, and you've got a little bit of cholesterol in there, which might be valuable for gaining muscle.